Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my SipsBy, and this isn't a regular SipsBy. This is a SipsBy Lucky Teas box. So let's get in here and see what that means. SipsBy is a monthly subscription box that I receive from SipsBy for review, and I love it. I love teas. I drink my coffee in the morning, but then I go to teas for the rest of the day. And each month you get 4 different teas to try. Generally, you get 4 servings of each tea, and it is $15 per month. But if it's something you have any interest in, I have a link and a code below that will get you $5 off your first box. Now, this is not my regular monthly box. They have added now special boxes. I had one for Valentine's Day, and now this one is the Lucky Box, and we're getting it right here around St. Patrick's Day, and it is still available, and it's $15 too. So let's open it right up and see what I've got. Right on top, I have a card that says the Lucky Teas box, and that is what that looks like. And inside, where it normally says Kathrin's Teas, it says Lucky Teas, and on the back it has all of the information that we normally get about what our teas are in the box, how long to steep them, what temperature to steep them about, and then a little bit about each tea. And also, if you have the box for the teas that you get in here, they give you on your paperwork discount code so you can go into your account and purchase the teas almost always at a reduced cost. So you can see that in this box we have a real green focus because I guess with Lucky Teas we're leaning on St. Patrick's Day, which as an Irish girl is one of my favorite days. So let's dig right in and find one. I have brought up my cup of hot water so we can steep one of these teas. Let me tell you on the website what they say about the Lucky Tea box. It says, "Is that a rainbow? And there underneath it, is it a pot of gold?" No, it's something even better. The Lucky Teas box was carefully curated to bring you good fortune and even better sips. Each box comes with an exclusive good luck mantra designed specially to help you focus on bringing luck to your life. And then it also tells you the teas that are included in the box. I wonder what my good luck mantra is. And on the back, I suspect this is my mantra, and it says, "I welcome good luck into my life and wish good luck upon others. I am deserving of happiness and good fortune and believe that it will find me." Well, that is a good mantra. Also, with each box, you will receive this. And what this is it is a muslin reusable bag. So if you get loose teas, you just peel the sticker off and you can either put your loose tea right in this muslin bag, and then you have to clean it after every use. Or they also give you these adorable paper bags with the little strings, and you just put your loose tea in there, tighten it, pop it right down in there, and you're ready to go. I love that they don't assume that you have a tea infuser, so they give you that. So reaching in right on top, I have Copper Cup Caffeine-Free Super Greens Latte Mix. Ooh, that sounds good. Let's take these out and see what this says. Just like in the regular box, we have 4 of these teas, and the paperwork says, Super Greens Latte Sips by Copper Cup. 1 sachet per 8 to 12 ounces of water, hot water or hot milk of choice. Organic ingredients include wheatgrass, spirulina, chlorella, Panax ginseng, coconut milk powder, coconut sugar, and pink salt. Most of these teas that I receive, just for the record, don't have sugar in them. In case that makes you a little leery, most of my teas have no sugar in them. But that also makes me think, so if you sign up for this, when you sign up for the subscription, they have a really thorough questionnaire that they have you fill out where you talk about, do you like no caffeine or high caffeine? Do you like green teas? Do you like matcha? Do you like herbal teas mostly? Do you like mushrooms? They ask you the most specific questions so they match you up with teas that you'll love. Point being, I'm sure somewhere in there you could tell them whether you did or did not want sugar. This delicious latte mix is packed with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory phytonutrients, chlorophyll, minerals, and plant protein that will help you feel your absolute best. That sounds absolutely delicious. And it does talk about on the back, because it has the sugar, it has the nutrition, and it has 25 calories per pack. Okay, reaching in next, I have the Driftwood Tea Company in Newport Richey, Florida, and it's Fortune Cookie Black Tea, and it contains almonds. Premium loose leaf tea, and that is what the package looks like. So this is a lovely loose leaf, and let's see what the paperwork says. Fortune Cookie Sips by Driftwood Tea Company. Use 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water. And they say to steep it at 208 degrees. And I will say, as I always say right now, I don't temp my water. I take it right off of boiling. If it's super hot, I let it sit for a minute or two. If it's a little bit cooler, and then a little bit longer than that if it's supposed to be less than, say, 200, which there aren't too many, but there are a few. I just guess at it. This is black tea, almond, coconut, and flavoring. High caffeine. I think we're going to try this one. I'm getting ready to unbox a couple more boxes, so let's put a little caffeine in here. A sweet and delicious tea will soon enter your life. Turn your luck around with this black tea blend flavored with almond and vanilla. All right, let's get in here and see what it looks like, see what it smells like, and get some steeping. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells, oh, I can smell the almond and the coconut. Here, let me put about a teaspoon in my hand and show you guys like I always do. This is such quality tea. Look how big that tea is. I mean, each individual little tea is like, you know, it's like tea. It's not just the dust that you get, but it's gorgeous tea. Okay, so I've just put my tea right in here, and I will pull my string tight, and we will just take this little tea bag that we've just made and start steeping it. And by the time we are done with this, it should be ready. Oh my goodness. It smells good already. Can't wait. Next, I have the Stash Super Irish Breakfast Tea, and these are tea bags. So again, we have 4 of them, and that is what they look like. And it is just blended black teas. I saw it on the back while I was holding it up. This says Super Irish Breakfast Sips by Stash Tea. 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, 190 to 210 degrees, steep 3 to 5 minutes. It is high caffeine, and the Irish like their tea brewed very strong. This Super Irish breakfast blend is truly the espresso of teas. This tea is delicious with milk and sugar, or plain for a brisk cup. This will be an early morning tea to replace my coffee. And last but not least, I have the Love Some Tea Green Rainbow. And it says it's whole leaf green tea and passion fruit oil. So this is another loose leaf tea. And this says, Green Rainbow Sips by Love Some Tea is low caffeine. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, 170 to 180 degrees. So that is a pretty low steeping temperature. That's one of the ones that I was saying, you know, I bring my water to a boil, I put it in my cup, and I let it sit for a couple minutes before I start steeping, because that is a pretty low steeping temp. Steep 2 to 3 minutes, and it says you can re-steep it 2 times. That is fantastic. This tea was grown wild in the sloping mountains of northern Thailand in harmony with other plants and animals without any fertilizers, herbicides, or other chemicals. Well, let's see what this smells like. Oh, it smells so good. You can absolutely, it's just the passion fruit. You know, tea has a little bit of a scent to it, but oh my goodness, the passion fruit smells amazing in this. Wait till you see the size of this tea. I mean, look at that. Look how huge that tea is. That is so incredible. Oh, it smells so good. I should have brought more cups of water. I would like to try all of these teas. I just reached into the bottom of my box, and it says, discover your top tea match. 350,000 new and experienced tea drinkers trust SipsBy to play matchmaker. So I guess 350,000 people have this box. That is amazing to me. And I flipped it over, and it says, made for you, continue your tea journey with a personalized SipsBy box. But more importantly, what I'm focused on is that not the prettiest cup? I have got to go online and see if this is a cup that they sell. The gray and the pink under, that is a gorgeous cup. I have to find out more about that. If they have it, you'll be seeing it here next month, because that is really pretty. Okay, that is it for the Lucky Teas box. And that is a special box that they are doing now for St. Patrick's Day. And I received the Love Some Tea Green Rainbow, which is the tea and the passion fruit. That smells so good. I received the Stash Super Irish Breakfast Tea, which they said was the espresso of teas, which is very intriguing. I am anxious to taste what the espresso of teas tastes like. I am steeping this premium loose leaf tea from Driftwood Tea Company, which is the fortune cookie, which had almond and vanilla in it. It smells so good. And then last but not least, I have this Copper Cup Super Greens latte mix, and it's 4 packs of latte mix. And with each box, whether it's a specialty box like this one is, or whether it's your monthly subscription, you receive this SipsBy muslin pouch. And you can reuse it to make your loose teas, or you can use the little paper sachets that they give you on the inside, which is generally how I go because I have kept every one of those muslin bags. But every time I think about using one, I just think, oh, then I have to clean it. So I always use the paper ones. Okay, let's see what this tea that we have now steeped tastes like. And see, the bag just does like a regular tea bag. Oh my goodness. Guys, it smells like vanilla and almond and tea. Mostly, it smells vanilla-y, almondy. I smell a lot of the almond. It smells so good. All right, let's see what it tastes like. Oh, that's good. It's just a nice light tea. It's got a vanilla flavor to it. I absolutely taste the almond. And again, you go in and you do your preferences. So like if you're allergic to nuts, you tell them that and you won't get this tea. It's delicious. It is delicious. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. This is the Lucky Teas Teas box, and it is a specialty box that they are doing for, I don't think they've technically said, but St. Patrick's Day. And it is available now. And if you have any interest in this, or if you have any interest in the SipsBy monthly box, which is basically a box just like this, you get 4 different teas, 4 servings of each tea. You get loose teas, you get the little tea bags. It's basically the same box. It just comes monthly based on your preferences. But if it's anything you have any interest in, I have my link below. I have a code that gets you $5 off your first box. I receive no money or anything from them. They do send me the box for review. You will always get my honest review. I hope you know that if you watch my channel. I absolutely tell you when I don't like something or it doesn't work for me, but I love this. It has become one of those things, and I've joked about this in the past when I've unboxed it. It's become one of those things that my husband and I basically race to. I will think, oh, you know what I need? I need another cup of that almond, and it's gone. Yeah, because he likes it too. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.